JP, this is Nikki. In previous video, I introduced some accessories for BAW 212, such as body kit, front bumper, and so on. Today, I take a new upgrade side window for you. It's made of high-quality aluminum alloy, no prone to rusting. Let's go in to see the installing process. Now the side window is installed on the car. Let's go in to see the effective. It's practical and has expansion capability. You can fix items such as masks and shovels on it. After opening, it's convenient to store some food and cups. The side window has a stylish appearance, which can add a Mac style, make your 212 more unique. Okay, that's all our today's video. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.